In this video, I have a major update for you for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin, and I give you guys the latest and greatest news about cryptocurrency, and I teach you all technical analysis so you can make money in the crypto market even when things are down. So if you want to get access to these time-sensitive videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you not miss these big plays. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, like this video, and put something in the comments below. And if you are a Dogecoin supporter, you love Dogecoin, go ahead and break that like button and let me know in the comments below. Are you expecting something big to happen? Do you think Elon Musk, it is his birthday today, do you think he's going to announce something in his Twitter? He's going to come out with a cool, crazy tweet for Dogecoin, because he really hasn't tweeted much about Doge. Let me know what you guys think about that. So one of the Dogecoin developers tweeted this last night. He said the Dogecoin fee change proposal is up when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and for any changes to happen to protocol or to basically the cryptocurrency to make it simple, people have to come up with proposals that other developers or other people in the network, other people that hold Dogecoin or stake it, they have to vote on these proposals. And so this has happened because Dogecoin, they've recently been working on developing the fee proposal, developing that the fees are going to be significantly reduced. Whenever you're sending Dogecoin, whenever you're buying something with Dogecoin, they're reducing these fees significantly. And Elon Musk came out and said, look, this is important to support. So Elon Musk is going to be backing this, and this is definitely going to be going through, most likely. This is really good news because fees are going to be significantly reduced, which will make people want to use Dogecoin for purchases, for transactions, more so than most other cryptocurrencies that do have high fees, that do see these higher fees whenever coming to purchasing or just basic use cases or sending it back and forth. Dogecoin is going to be one of the cheapest when it comes to this area. So it's going to make a lot more retail stores or other places want to accept Dogecoin for payment to buy gas, or at grocery stores or some other stores are already accepting Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. We also have some really good news for Bitcoin, but it definitely pertains to Ethereum. It pertains to Dogecoin because look, there's this billionaire. He vows to spearhead Mexico's first Bitcoin friendly bank. So there's this really rich guy in Mexico, and he is a huge Bitcoin bull, a crypto bull, and he's creating the first bank, especially in Mexico, to accept Bitcoin. And this is going to be one of many. People are going to jump on this train. This is really good news. And Michael Saylor replies to him in one of his tweets. And Michael Saylor was like, if you are hoping to preserve your wealth for a generation, this guy suggests you invest in Bitcoin. The strategy is simple. Choose the highest quality asset you can find and hold it. That's why these people are investing in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, because they are such a great asset. They are the best asset classes because they not only go up in value, they consistently go up in value every single year. And this is what cryptos are doing. They go up in value rapidly every single year, and they outperform everything like gold. They outperform silver. They outperform the entire they outperform the entire stock market. That's why people are investing in these. They outperform real estate. They outperform every commodity. But this is really good. Like I've been telling you guys, people are continually starting to adopt cryptocurrencies. Not only people, not only the retail investors like me and you, but we're having institutions, we're having banks, we're having retail stores getting involved in this. And this is just the beginning. We're seeing every week something major is coming out with acceptance as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. And this is really good news. It shows you that there's a domino effect happening right now. And while cryptocurrencies are cheap, this is the best time to get in before these things really pop off. Also, if you want to get access to my daily trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, we are making money even when the market is bearish. You can talk to me on the phone. We can build you a portfolio. I can teach you technical analysis. You can also join the 4,000 member Discord. All of this is in my video description link below in the Patreon. All right, a lot of you all have been asking me, why is Binance banned in the UK? And this is very simple. It's because they do not have approval with the FCA. They do not have a registration with the FCA says Binance is not registered with the FCA and therefore is not allowed to operate an exchange in the UK. So it looks like Binance is going to go ahead and try to fix this so that they can get back up and working in the UK and other countries. There's also some really big news for Ethereum. And remember, I'm talking about Bitcoin, I'm talking about Ethereum, I'm talking about other cryptocurrencies. they relate very heavily to Dogecoin. When really good news happens and good things happen to Ethereum or Bitcoin or some of the other top cryptos, they carry Dogecoin along with it. So Dogecoin is very strongly tied to Ethereum, very strongly tied to Bitcoin. When really good things come out, good news comes out for Bitcoin, it helps Dogecoin, because if good news comes out and it pumps Bitcoin, it will carry Dogecoin. And then Dogecoin can get its own news on top of it, which will allow it to carry it further. But most importantly, look at this. Ethereum looks to retake 2,000 days before the London hard fork. Big breakout ahead. So we have the EIP 1559, which is a huge update coming to Ethereum this month, which is also called the London hard fork. And what it's going to do, among many things, it's going to reduce the gas fees. It's going to reduce fees of Ethereum significantly, because the fees were super high just a couple of months back for Ethereum, which was kind of stalling institutional interest and institutional investors to jump into Ethereum. And not only that, but Ethereum is going to start burning with this hard fork. They're going to start burning Ethereum tokens with verifications of the blockchains and with many other things. But they're going to start burning Ethereum tokens, which is going to reduce the overall supply of Ethereum, which is going to make it deflationary. So that right now Ethereum has an infinite supply. So that through mining, rewards will be given, and those rewards are infinite. But now those mining rewards are going to be reduced significantly, and part of those mining rewards that were given previously to miners are now going to be burned through the Ethereum network, which is going to make Ethereum deflationary like Bitcoin. It's going to have a set limit, which is going to make the value of Ethereum go up very high. And it's going to do that this year. So this update is coming out this month, which is going to be doing all of these things among many other things. And this is going to bring Ethereum up very high. That's why people are projecting Ethereum to hit 20K to even 30K by the end of the year. So if everything continues, if the bull run starts again very strong, this thing will definitely help Ethereum to get up to those numbers. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion. So since Ethereum is the leader of the altcoins, I believe that this update is going to be very big and huge for Dogecoin. That's going to help Dogecoin grow really fast as well. And I want to show you the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is actually looking really bullish. We're seeing a lot of green this morning for Ethereum. And we had this previous level of resistance that was keeping Ethereum under this level for quite some time. About, let's see, since the 21st of June. We are now approaching the end of the month. We've now broken out of it. We've broken out of this resistance with a bullish flag. That's what we're seeing here. We're seeing a strong push up, and then we're seeing a little bit of consolidation. So most likely we can actually get a pretty big breakout from this level. So that would not surprise me, which we'd have to come up and test the 2262 level of resistance for Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking bullish and most likely going to be continuing upwards. Let's also click on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost at the same boat, but look at this. Here we go. Almost forming a cup and a handle for Bitcoin. Look at this. Perfect cup. And then we're creating a handle right here. So generally this type of breakout, if we do get a breakout, if we do get some buying coming in, some volume, this can bring Bitcoin up to a substantial degree. Look at this. This could potentially bring Bitcoin up to almost 40K. If we do get a big breakout and money starts to flow in, we could see a substantial breakout back to that 40K level of resistance. And if we can break 40K, 42K in the next 10 days or a week, this will be a very good sign for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And if you want to be able to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital, which is linked in the video description below. And if you want to get 4 free stocks worth up to $4,000, use my WEBULL link, which is in my video description. All you have to do is deposit $100 and they're going to send you those free stocks worth up to those amounts, which you can immediately buy Dogecoin or cryptocurrencies or stocks with, like AMC. But if you don't want that, you can just send it to your bank account. Most importantly, let's go ahead and dive into Dogecoin. Dogecoin is actually looking very bullish, and we were forming this ascending triangle, which we did break out to about 27 cents. It was really good to see that. So we did get that breakout, but then we got rejected and came down. So if we go ahead and zoom in, 30-minute chart, we have this level of resistance around 27 cents. This is where we're at, but we're still in this ascending triangle, which is really good to see. And if we want to look at that position and what actually happened and transpired here, this is a bullish flag when you get a straight rise up and then a bit of a sell-off to a consolidation. But look, we came down exactly to this previous level of resistance. Remember, this was our level of resistance for a long period of time, just like Ethereum, just like I showed you, and Bitcoin. This was the resistance, and now we've broken out of this channel and we are starting to head up right now. So it is looking very good. So we're gonna have to come up and test this 20 cent level, 26.7. 0.267, so almost 27 cents. And if we can break that, which most likely, things are looking bullish in the charts for cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and altcoins will most likely come up to here. We could get rejected again, or most likely there's going to be a higher probability that we will break out past this, and then we're going to have to come up and test these double tops right here. These are two strong levels of resistance, which if you knock on a door when it comes to a level of resistance multiple times, generally, eventually we will break through. So that is looking very good and bullish for Dogecoin. We must also consider it is Elon Musk's birthday. Yes, he could come out and tweet something. He might not tweet something, which is totally fine. But the way the chart is looking is that we are bullish. We are moving up, we are continuing up, and that is very good. So we also we can confirm that information by looking at the chart here. Look, here was the major drop. We had a double bounce here on the bottom, or a double bottom, and then we formed an inverse head and shoulders, which is right here. Major breakout came all the way up to here, came rejected. Now we're starting to head up. So if we look at it more specifically, we see a bottom here, we see a top here, we come down, another top. Now this is the bottom. Now we're starting to move up. So we're seeing a very clear and consistent uptrend, but in order for this to really play out, we need to break this level of resistance that played out perfectly twice before this, 28 cents. This 28 cents is giving us some difficulty, but I think if we can surpass this, we will see some good numbers into the 30-cent range. So if you got something out of the video, go ahead and give this video a like. Below up in the comment section, I will try to get to all of my comments within the first 24 hours. And go ahead and check out the Patreon. You can check out all my other services in my video description. And I will see you all tonight or tomorrow. Have a great day.